Here we are again at the big turtle tank, and it hasn't let up. It's been raining for at least 5 days out of last week. It's the 7th of December. It's summertime here, and yeah, I just thought I'd show you how to collect water easily with shade. Just let it drip over the sides. But yeah, since last week she's full. Over there on that silver plug over the other side of the tank there, you can see that's the overflow which goes to the drain over there on Polly. So yeah, there's one of them there, checking it all out. The other ramp, it's dropped through the severe weather, but the turtles, they'll hide underneath their dock where they got their home under there, and yeah. So I'm gonna try and get them out. See what they're doing. There's one under the bridge there. You can just see he's moving around, seeing what's going on. Oh, he's stuck under there. Hang on. Oh shit! There we go. He got stuck under there. There he goes. I'll put this back up. But yeah, so there's how she goes and fills up. And she's pouring rain down here in Victoria for days. 5 days out of last week. So yeah, there it is. It's doing fine. Yeah, there's the other one over there, the other side. They've come out to investigate the high terrain weather. And he's getting up. Ah, there we go, look at that. Look at that. They love the rain. It's when they really come out and explore and that a lot of the time. So yeah, there he goes. They're about 3-year-old. And he's just checking it out. He won't get up there onto the green dock there, up through the tyre and that, because I'm standing here. But yeah, that's about it. It's got about 1 centimetre to go to that silver plug, and then it'll go at the overflow. So another good video. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.